Yes, Hare Krishna, come back. Yes, Bhaktarupa?
Yes, Prabhu. Prabhu, a question.
Yes,
Um, so we see the common question: why
yes,
do good people suffer and
yes,
bad
yes,
people have to enjoy?
yes.
So Adila, we understand that
Mm,
even though somebody is behaving bad
uh,
because of the previous pious activities that
mm,
they are
mm,
enjoying.
mm,
My question is, இப்போ pious activity, the
mm,
result of pious activity வந்து,
mm.
will it bring a person to the mode of goodness or it need not be?
It is not reaching the mode of goodness. There is some elevation. You see,
Mm,
in a graph, the
mm,
elevation means going from -9 to -7 is also elevation. Negative side. Huh?
okay,
The passive side also, one may go from 7 to 9 also. 7 to
okay.
9 going, 7 to 9 is also
Mm,
advancement. Going in the negative
mm,
side, -9 to -7 is also
mm,
advancement. But still,
okay.
-7 is negative only,
Right. Yes.
isn't it? So there
Mm,
should be some more purification required,
mm.
isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, Prabhu.
Materially, if you think anything,
Mm,
even good or bad, both are bad because even the good things that is not going to last forever.
mm,
Huh? That is not going to
mm,
last forever. So you put all your
mm,
effort and you maintain that
mm,
one and you are going to lose them. So what is the use of
mm,
such thing? So that is also bad.
mm. Yes.
So we have to train them not to do any good or bad activities. You do only devotional service, inaction,
Mm,
akarma.
mm.
Huh? That is preaching.
Okay.
Hmm? We
Okay.
don't do any good action and bad action. Huh? For
Mm,
transcendentalists, even the bad action is also good. Arjuna shot Dronacharya, Bhishma and all, Karna and all. That is also good.
mm,
I am always
mm.
scolding, no, all of you. Uh, Sometimes I also become hard. Guru means
Mm,
heavy. Guru cannot be easy.
mm.
He cannot be always very close or something. Guru means heavy.
Mm,
He should be heavy. Huh? Isn't it?
mm.
So in a
Yes, Prabhu.
transcendental mode, even bad is
Mm,
good. Even if I scold you all, if I chastise you,
mm.
that is also good. But in
Yes.
material, even good is bad, huh?
Mm.
Isn't it?
Yes,
Hmm.
Prabhu.
Krishna is scolding Arjuna. From where you got
Mm,
this knowledge? The scolding.
mm,
That is also good for Arjuna. It's not
mm,
bad. Huh?
mm.
Isn't it? So
Okay.
these are the two things we should understand: material actions and spiritual actions. In
Yes,
spiritual
Prabhu.
action, we should take even the bad thing as good.
Mm.
There is, as such, there is
So,
no bad thing at all. That is
mm,
transcendental.
okay.
Yes.
So sometimes we see,
Mm.
in at least in histories, we see
Uh,
demons also performing a lot of austerities, like
yes.
the Ravana or
Yeah, all the demons they
Hiranyakashipu.
do.
So such austerities,
Mm.
are they considered to be the pious activities? Yes, Prabhu.
For them, it is only for their self satisfaction. So
Mm,
it is material. It
mm,
has the reaction.
mm,
Whether it is pious or impious, it is not
mm,
going to benefit him.
mm,
Huh? So, what is the use? They think this is the pious. Doing austerity is pious action. So they
mm,
enjoy for some time, but that is not
mm,
permanent.
mm,
At last, he is destined to lose everything. He will be
mm,
in a miserable condition.
mm,
Instead of doing the same austerity,
mm,
not for self motivation, but to please
mm,
Krishna, just like Haridas Thakura is chanting huh, throughout the
mm,
day, 192 rounds. That is also a austerity. That is for Krishna's pleasure and his own purification. huh. That is helping him. He gave up his body, keeping Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's feet on his heart. Chaitanya
mm,
Mahaprabhu himself took the dead body and he danced. Is there
mm.
any story like that one? Krishna danced with a dead body. Haridas Thakura is saying
No problem.
he has done so much sacrifice. He sacrificed so much, but he is so fortunate. Haridasa took him, his dead body, and he declared anyone witness this event, they will get the mercy of Krishna. Uh, so, in our ISKCON, we are actually training all the devotees to do inaction. We have to do action. The action can be made as inaction. That training we are giving. For that, we
Mm,
are going towards spiritual life. We are not degrading towards material hellish position,
mm.
isn't it? For this only we
Yes.
need the transcendental knowledge.
Mm,
Huh? The same effort Ravanasar, yeah, Hiranyakashipu, if they put only for the pleasure of Krishna, huh, the entire story will be upside down. Huh? But this and all the pastimes of Krishna. Huh? So the Jaya and Vijaya story, the curse of four Kumaras. So Krishna, through that one, is giving some positive lessons to us. That one actually we may refer as bad action. The four Kumaras cursing Jaya and Vijaya is a bad thing for materialists. But because this is spiritual activity, even from the bad, we get the good. Huh? So tolerate even if I chastise you people, or if I scold you also. If you tolerate, then you are going to get benefited. Huh? If you become morose, then you are going to lose. Huh?
okay, Prabhu.
You clearly understood?
Yes, Prabhu. So
You
the
don't,
pious activity does not mean that a person will move up in his need not
that
come to the
is
mode of
not
goodness.
going to help him. What is
Mm,
the use if something I'm doing is not beneficial for me? Then I am a fool. Isn't it? Most of the materialists they are fools because whatever may be the thing they do, that is not going to help them. Them means souls. That's why they are fools. That thing only indirectly Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is telling to Prakasananda Saraswati. My Guru Maharaja told me as fool number one. Huh? It's actually this is reflecting all others. They are doing something which is not beneficial for themselves. Huh? You understand?
mm.
You do
Yes, Prabhu.
something that is going to be beneficial for you. If it is
Mm,
detrimental for you, why you are doing that one? If you are doing like that, then you are a fool number one,
mm.
isn't it?
Yes, Prabhu.
So that we should give this knowledge to others also. That is preaching,
Mm.
isn't it?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes. Now what
Okay.
else you have? Doubt.
Um, that's all, Prabhu. So the main question is that um, first is, whether a person, because of the pious activities, they will come to mode of goodness or not. Is was the first question. But so that you
There may be some
explain that it is
elevation,
not necessary.
not necessary
Elevation.
to. They are going towards a mode of goodness.
Okay.
They may be standing at mode of ignorance also. Huh?
Mm.
Deep ignorance, deep minus 100 to minus 90. There is
Mm.
elevation of 10 points negatively. Huh? That is good,
Mm.
of course, but they are not reached the mode of goodness, not necessarily.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I was
Oh,
thinking, if they had come to the mode of goodness, how
yes.
come they are again committing the bad actions? Is what I
No,
was trying to
as
ask. That is,
they are coming up to mode of goodness, the bad activities and all decreasing. It will not increase. So this Ravana, this Kamsa, they are not in the mode of goodness at all. They are in the mode of passion, maximum passion with some ignorance. They are all self-motivated. That's why they are in passion, mode of passion, and ignorance also. They are working as a fool.
mm.
That's why there is a mode of ignorance also is there with them.
Okay. Okay. Understood. Thank you.
Okay, Hare Krishna. So anyone else?
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Yes, Mataji.
Uh, Prabhu, that statement that we are not the doers.
Oh,
As we are souls, we are having thinking, willing, and feeling.
yes.
Uh, but still,
Mm,
um, if how to understand that statement that we are not the doers, because
mm.
that is also doing, no Prabhu. Feeling, thinking, and willing is also one way of doing, right?
No, I am feeling. I am in a mountain, Himalayas. I am feeling it is too
Mm.
cold. I am doing anything.
சரி ஓயத்துல போட்டு கொடுத்துருவேன்.
But still, my body is
Uh,
that sensation is.
ஸ்ரீநாத் பிரபு
Uh,
நீங்க மியூட் பண்ணணும். ஸ்ரீநாத் பிரபு மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. எஸ் மாதாஜி, அனுராதா மாதாஜி.
so in that sensation also,
That you are not at all doing. The external energy is working upon you. Even you are thinking, but you are not doing anything. You are willing, you are not doing anything. Only Krishna does. According to your willing, you want to do something in future. So
yeah.
he will provide all the facilities and everything is happening. It is not you are arranging anything. Unless Krishna is not
But
arranging all these things.
but still, I can will to do that. That no Prabhu.
You are
Though
willing,
Krishna sanctions that.
yes, correct. You are willing, but Krishna, unless Krishna arranges that one, yours is not fulfilled. You cannot execute
Yes.
that one. To execute
Yes.
that one, maybe you are doing that thing. To execute that one, Krishna is providing all the facilities. Unless
So
Krishna's,
here we mean to say, because Krishna is providing the facilities, he is
yes,
the doer.
yes.
Okay.
Otherwise, you cannot. You cannot get
So
BSc.
otherwise, my
BSc.
feeling, willing, and feeling remains incomplete if Krishna does not provide the
Sanction.
arrangements for that.
Yes, yes, yes. Sanctioning means arranging.
Sanction is okay.
Huh? Otherwise, it's not possible. I have so much willing. Yeah? Today, I want to finish off my Sri Radha Girivanachari Mandiram in Kodaikanal. Is it possible? Huh? Unless Krishna doesn't sanction, it's not possible. Isn't it?
But certain things, because it's just like that happening now, Prabhu. Like,
Happening means
um,
we deserve that one. That's why Krishna is providing. Otherwise, it's not possible.
okay.
Yes.
Yes, Prabhu. Got that.
Got? Very good.
Yes, 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 Prabhu.
Thank
Yes,
you,
Prabhu.
Hare
Thank you.
Krishna. Hmm. We have any problem with this one, this audio and all? Because of that one, Srinath left. Huh? Anyhow, okay. Anyone else?
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
Um, Prabhu, I
Yes.
have a habit of actually studying
Mm.
news, Prabhu, actually, but not any general thing, but more related to economy, and because it's like more intellectually
No,
I
no
read,
problem, no
Prabhu.
problem. That you
So,
need to have.
so, so and the question is, actually, Gaurangi asked me to ask,
Mm.
am I not, because
Mm.
I'm reading, I'm somehow trying to connect to Krishna, and I see
Good.
that it is helping during preaching also to give current examples.
Very good.
And also in my work it is helping, Prabhu. But Gaurangi
Yes.
wanted me to confirm with you
Mm.
that I'm not in the wrong direction by reading
No, no, no,
news.
no. Anything happening that and all sanctioned by Krishna. Please understand.
Mm,
Without the
mm,
sanction of Krishna, even the murder cannot take place. A is
mm,
killing B.
mm.
It doesn't happen
Yes, Prabhu. Mm,
if Krishna never sanctions. Why the ego is
mm.
coming?
May-
I don't
it will not come
know.
now, Prabhu. I put the headset. I put, Prabhu. Now it's okay.
Acha, okay. Huh?
Yes, yes,
You understand?
yes, Prabhu. Mm,
Unless Krishna sanctions, nothing can take place. Even nowadays, they're telling no, our Indians are blaming all the media. They are not showing Hinduism, only showing other things and all. All the media is wrong. This
mm,
also Krishna's
mm,
divine arrangement.
mm,
Huh? Why Krishna is doing that? We have to understand. Because Hindus are not willing to
mm,
do something for Krishna. That's why Krishna
mm,
is neglecting them.
mm,
Others are willing to do something for themselves. Their desire is
mm,
becoming stronger, stronger, stronger. So Krishna
mm,
is providing. As the Krishna is for Hindus, the people think they are helping Muslims. Actually, Krishna is not only for Hindus, he is for also Muslims,
mm.
isn't it? But
Yes,
Hindus
Prabhu.
are not doing anything to please Krishna, and they are blaming Muslims. Can the Muslims are the doer? Are the Muslims are the doers? No. Krishna is making them to dance like this. If the Hindus think like that one, then only they will understand the truth.
Mm,
You understand? Now the thing also the Anuradha Mataji told, no, we are not the doers. That's fact the people should understand.
mm,
Somebody told now something happening. This cow slaughtering is going on now, maximum extent. Because of that only this corona has come so many calamities we have, natural calamities. They
mm,
are having some meeting or something in a higher level, even with the central government. ISKCON
mm,
people, they want to have collaborate with the central people, and they want to bring out something like this one to stop slaughtering of the cows. Mm. Then they asked me also what is my part in that one. I told that I cannot do anything. Everything is done by Krishna. We are not the doers. Krishna is the only who can will Krishna to do this one. Then the things come. No, 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 no. Everybody is participating. They are doing that, this and all. Then I told that one. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tells Bharat Bhumite Hoile Mansu Janma Yara Janma Sarthak Hari Karo Para Upkara. First, you should become perfect, then only you can make others perfect. How many are you honest, selfless? Just tell me. If you're honest and selfless,
Selfless.
then you can attempt this one. You can stop slaughtering the cows. If you are not honest or you are not selfish, free from selfishness, you cannot attempt. You will not be successful. We already know from Srimad Bhagavatam the symptoms of Kali Yuga. Can you change that? Can you change the Kali Yuga? You can bring
No, Prabhu.
Satya Yuga. In Kali Yuga, can you bring Satya Yuga? Huh?
Satyuga we cannot bring, Prabhu, in Kali Yuga.
So how you can control all these things? At least first become perfect, then make others perfect. Isn't it?
Yes, Prabhu.
We are not perfect. We are not good at our service, and we want others. Just now I told no Krishna fulfilling the desires of anyone is not for only Hindus. It's for all. But whatever may be the desire, whether that's good or bad, if that becomes strong, Krishna has to fulfill the desire. Uh,
Yes, Prabhu.
So Hindus have no activity, they are not doing anything. Then why Krishna? So this is the thing actually. We are not understanding our own and we are blaming others. The cause and solution both are lying within us. Isn't it?
True.
So now what is your question?
Is I just wanted to confirm that
Economics or anything, even earlier and all in radio, there is current affairs daily at the night. There is the program called current affairs. What's happening? It's very very important. No, that is also pastimes of Krishna. Anything happening now also, that is nothing but the pastimes of Krishna. Just like that time Mahabharata, Ramayana, what was happening. The same thing now also what's happening is the good lessons for the future people. The last century, the same time, from France, we have this calamity like this one. No? The same thing, it was there for 3 years. Now Allah we are also expecting that this corona problem also will exist totally for 3 years. Now we faced 1.5 years or more yet to come. So like that one, this is what is happening is nothing but the pastimes of Krishna, and they will understand this one as the lessons for future people. So going through economic, listening to the news, this and all, nothing wrong. In that one, we had to see the
to Krishna.
Yes,
Unseen hand of Krishna.
you are not connect. You have to see. It's already connected. The connection we have to see the hidden hand of Krishna, not connecting to Krishna. Connecting to Krishna means there is no connection between Krishna and this one, and you are trying to connect. It is not like that one. The connection is already there, and you are discovering the cover. You are opening that cover, 3 modes, and you are seeing the hidden hand of Krishna.
Yes.
Isn't it? That's already there, Krishna. Those who say that this is not good, it means they can see only the thing, but they are not seeing the Krishna's hand, hidden hand. Many people say, no, TV also not good. Don't keep TVs at home. Huh? Now ISKCON itself is telecasting 3 channels. Huh? No other organization have 3 channels. Big television set owners and all. You see, anyone has 3 channels? Huh?
No,
I
Prabhu.
don't know. To my knowledge, no organization has 3 channels. They are struggling hard for one channel also. But our Hare Krishna has 3 channels. Simultaneously, 3 channels are running 24 hours.
What 3 channels, Prabhu? Hare Krishna TV.
Hare Krishna
Apparama,
TV, Hare
what?
Krishna music, and then Hare Krishna Pravachan. In music, 24 hours Hare Krishna is going on. Pravachan, all the lectures, 24 hours going on. And this Hare Krishna, the events, what are happening? Now the Janmashtami, this, that, and all. Sandhya Arati, Mangala Arati. This and all they are telecasting in Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna TV.
just Hare Krishna TV. So I don't know anyone is having the 3 channels simultaneously, 24 hours. But our Hare Krishna is having. So
Yes.
TV is not the bad thing. Our mind is bad. Our consciousness is bad.
Yes, Prabhu.
From my childhood, I am very much addicted to this radio. Now that TV. In my childhood, there was no TV. So this way, we cannot blame anything. Everything is coming from Krishna. Everything is good, provided we have good consciousness. Okay?
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay, Hare Krishna. That's nothing wrong.
Yes, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Yes, Prabhu. Hare
Keep it
Krishna.
up, but don't forget to see Krishna's hidden hand. That is important. You can feel that one bad. You can think that is bad, but you have to feel that Krishna is going to give them reactions. You will that Krishna is going to re-establish the Dharma.
Yes, Prabhu.
That is our will.
Mm.
Yes.
Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhu, I have one more question, Prabhu.
Yes, Mataji.
There is one girl, Prabhu,
Yes.
from 8th standard. She got attracted to Krishna.
Very good.
She's a classical dancer, but now she is in 12th, her 12th standard.
Okay.
And but slowly, I think she connected to some ISKCON people,
Mm,
and she started practicing chanting.
very good.
But her parents, they're not, they don't know anything about
Happy.
this, Prabhu. But the girl is like, even if she chants, the parents are thinking that she might take, she might leave the house, or she might take sannyas or something like that. So they're thinking that at this young age itself, doing this chanting and all is not at all necessary for her. And also they are forcing her to eat non-veg.
Oh God.
So which this girl is trying to, exhibit some bodily symptoms that she's averse to that non-veg, but still she's not able to convince the parents, because the parents are telling, you were eating previously, but now just because you're saying some Hare Krishna, you're
So
stopping to
who is
eat.
the person uh, uh, imparting the knowledge to this girl? The mentor or the leader?
She came, no Prabhu, she came through the internet. She got the Gurudev's email ID and she logged in that. Then some
So
chat
she
box is
should
there.
tell
In that
all
we
these
try to
things.
connect her.
Okay. She has to
So
tell
that
her
way we
position.
convince her that because
Uh,
sometimes when we say people, because of your past activities, you are put in, you are given such a parents, and you are given such a situation. But if you heartfelt, if you ask forgiveness to Krishna, then definitely, because she's forced, parents are not allowing, thinking that non-veg is good for health. So she's forced, and what she's doing is she's keeping tulsi leaf at at Krishna's feet, and then after eating non-veg, she's eating that tulsi. So she's thinking one day, at least by that, she can come out of this eating non-veg.
Mm,
Sometimes it is so difficult for people to accept or ask for forgiveness, Prabhu.
mm.
So how should we tell them in what other way can we
So
tell them
I
that
think so only the mentor is not properly teaching, training her.
there is no mentor as of now, Prabhu. Just she has heard Hare Krishna, just like
So
that she has
if it is
right.
so, she should pray
Ah,
Krishna, then Krishna will definitely. I told her this is Krishna has the obligation. If anyone does something, even a common person, he got some obligation to help the person. So he is the supreme person. Krishna is the supreme person. If she prays Krishna, Krishna will definitely uh, help her. So if she doesn't have anyone, ask her to send me her present situation email. Then I can answer her. Just like the
sure, Prabhu.
Pune
Sure.
Krutika
Yes.
Mataji,
Yes.
she was suffering for
Yes,
five
Prabhu.
years. She was suffering for 5 years, you believe it or not. Hmm?
Mm. Yes, Prabhu.
Angala
I'll ask
Parameswari
her.
Mataji knows that one. Huh? So
Yes, yes,
you
Prabhu.
just tell her, then I will give answer for each sentence. Then you see how Krishna is helping. Krishna is the supreme person. He's not an ordinary person like you and me. Huh? So
Yes,
the
Prabhu.
way
Sure,
in
Prabhu. I'll do it.
which, so this is the
Yes.
way we have to understand because we have no support. If there is some
Mm.
support, then only we can
Mm.
hold on. If there is no support, then we will fall down. I know.
Okay.
For that
Mm.
one, it is better she can send me in detail and I will
Okay.
guide her. This is the
Sure,
only the
sure, Prabhu.
mercy of Krishna and Guru. Uh,
Yes,
I'm
Prabhu.
telling my experience is like that one.
Okay,
When
sure,
I
Prabhu.
was in Bombay, we had daily programs. Each day
Okay.
I attend the program, and at the end of that program, I think, oh, this is only Krishna consciousness. Now I become Krishna conscious. I understood everything. The next day again I went and I went. I hear the program. Everything is new. At the end of the program, I think, oh, this is only Krishna consciousness. Fully, I understood now fully. Daily it happens. Then I understood Krishna consciousness is unlimited. Krishna is unlimited. Huh? So without having any support, it is very, very difficult. On our own, we can. Krishna need not accept directly. Through someone only Krishna can also accept. So in that way, if she can send me her everything, I will definitely guide her. And
Yes, Prabhu. I
Krishna,
have the email ID.
okay. Then Krishna will definitely help her. Hmm?
Yes,
Very
Prabhu.
good. She is from which place?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay, no problem.
She speaks, I think she's fluent in Telugu, more in Telugu.
Okay, no problem. Why don't you ask her to join our program?
I'll
This,
surely ask her to.
uh, even tomorrow also she can attend no, our program 4:30. You people are attending only on Saturdays.
They are actually restricting her from using phone.
What is restricted? No, you are attending only on
I spoke
Saturdays.
to her only. No
I,
problem, Prabhu, but still she can connect, Prabhu. I can ask. Only
no, no,
once
you had to give the link.
I
That's
have
all.
spoken to her.
She
I don't
can,
know
yeah.
much. Only one day she spoke to me and she told me all
Acha,
this.
acha. Okay, okay.
Um,
Now you are not
so
that much familiar.
I'll WhatsApp. I'll ask her to join, Prabhu.
Okay. She knows Hindi also, no?
I don't know.
Uh,
Maybe she should know,
because
Prabhu, because
because
Hyderabad
sometimes
means they know.
sometimes in Friday program I speak in Telugu and
Ah,
Hindi. That is
Okay.
mainly for.
I think her second language should be Hindi because in
Uh,
Andhra they always know
yeah,
Hindi
they
and
all
Telugu.
Hyderabad people mean they all know Hindi. Even
Yes,
my
so
daughter-in-law
she
also
should be
knows.
knowing.
Hmm.
Sure, Prabhu, I'll
Uh,
send her the message.
that
Yes,
is every Friday I'm taking 3:30 to 4:45. Same link, huh?
3:30 to 4.
Yeah,
Okay,
same link.
okay, Prabhu.
Link is the same. Anyone can join
Free
in this
call.
one. This my link is
Yes, yes,
always
Prabhu.
the same for this free conscious call, huh? Yes.
Okay, sure, Prabhu.
Okay, Mataji. Anyone who gets something he cannot use himself, it is to be distributed to others. Then only Krishna is happy. Hmm? Yes. Anyone else? Any other question or clarification required? Leela Mata just come now, it seems, huh? Just now she came. Hmm?
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna,
You
Prabhuji.
had some other class or something?
Yes, Prabhu. I went to lab, so just now I came to room. So
Okay. You are free from any
not
doubt
able
now?
to.
You have no
No,
doubt
Prabhu.
at all. Huh?
Not like that, but right now I don't have.
Okay, good. Anyone else? If no one is there, then Sabaris or
Hare Krishna,
Tamal.
Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
Prabhu,
Uh,
Gaurangi's question, Prabhu, but I'm rephrasing it, Prabhu.
yes.
About is it normal to have ups and downs in sadhana, and gradually, because sometimes our sadhana we are doing very nicely, sometimes we go down. So is it like this, in this frequency curve is up and down, up and down, up and down, finally it will get stable like that? Is it a normal process for a devotee, Prabhu, or is there something additional we should do to improve?
This one depending upon how much you are attentive to your action. It
Mm,
is not necessarily be the same for all the devotees.
mm.
Hmm, isn't
Yes,
it?
Prabhu.
So in Bhagavad Gita we have 700 slokas. Bhagavatam
Mm,
we have 18,000 slokas. Huh?
mm,
And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gives only 8 slokas. The contents of all these different number of slokas is the same,
mm.
isn't it? So
Yes,
that
Prabhu.
depends upon one's own interest.
Mm,
Okay, ups and
mm.
downs means those who are unable to
Constantly be situated
yeah,
in. Yes, Prabhu.
so that is the problem. We have to
Mm,
be very, very attentive. Try to be.
mm,
Suppose you are facing some problem, light
mm,
problem. You are not
mm,
that much serious. If
mm,
there is very unbearable, uh,
mm,
unpredicted problem is you are facing, that is in
mm,
front of you, you become very,
mm.
very serious. Your
Yes,
concentration
Prabhu.
is more on that one,
Yes,
isn't
Prabhu.
it?
Mm,
Like that, you
mm,
have to understand while doing your sadhana in this
mm,
material world, it is very, very difficult.
mm,
So I am in very, very horrible situation. I don't know what will happen to next moment. So you
mm,
have to become all serious in that action.
mm,
Then your concentration is good. You
mm,
observe fully on that devotional service. There won't
mm,
be any ups and downs. If you
mm,
do your sadhana casually,
mm.
then definitely you will have ups and downs.
Yes, Prabhu.
Hmm? So we should
Mm,
take the sadhana seriously,
mm,
to avoid these ups and downs.
mm.
Yes.
Yes, Prabhu. Prabhu, and accordingly, if we want to increase the amount of time we spend in a day, like doing maybe studying Prabhupada books, like that, Prabhu.
Mm,
So question is, more
mm,
than 16 rounds, okay, minimum 16 rounds to improve 16 rounds.
mm.
Many devotees say, but it is not possible, for example, for me to not chant more than 16 rounds, Prabhu. I can
Okay.
only chant 16 rounds. Then can I utilize, just maybe I like studying, for example, can I
Mm,
utilize studying, listening lecture,
mm.
listening kirtan, like that? That is also considered sadhana only, no, Prabhu?
Everything is sadhana.
Mm.
Till you come to the stage of perfection.
Mm.
Whether you consider it or not, anything sadhana. Now also I'm speaking to you. This is my
Mm.
sadhana. You are hearing me. That is your sadhana.
Mm.
Till I become perfect in my preaching.
Mm.
That is my
Yes, Prabhu.
sadhana only. Till you
Sadhana.
become
Mm.
perfect, hearing
Mm.
perfectly, all the things, what all I say, you are grabbing everything.
Mm.
That is
Mm.
perfection. Any action that we do in devotional service, that is sadhana.
Mm.
Okay? Not only chanting, even cooking, reading
Mm.
books, this and all
Mm.
sadhana. Cooking means you
Yes,
have to
Prabhu.
cook very, very nicely, like Chaitanya, sorry, this Radharani and Sachimata. If
Mm.
they cook the Nityananda, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna, they're very, very happy.
Mm.
That is saturation point,
Mm.
isn't it? So any
Yes, Prabhu.
action we do till we
Mm.
become perfect. That is three stages are there now. Offensive stage, correcting
Offensive
stage,
stage, pure corrective stage, and perfect.
perfect stage.
Yes.
Till we
Yes, Prabhu.
come to that stage, we are under
Mm.
sadhana.
Mm.
Huh? If I say something, you can be able to repeat that one without any difficulty, then also you are perfect hearer. You are hearing very
Mm.
nicely.
Mm.
Sometimes it's very difficult to repeat also as it is.
Mm.
Hmm?
Mm.
So for everything we need some perfection, some training.
Mm.
Everything is our sadhana. Sadhana means sadhana for what? To get the love of Krishna. Whether you
Mm.
are chanting or you are cooking or you are eating, you are doing anything, even you are sleeping, everything is only to get the love of God. Then
Mm.
all the activities under that aspect is sadhana. Huh?
Yes, Prabhu.
So the word is minimum 16. Even in my first days, I
Mm.
also,
Mm.
what I can, clearly I could not give the attention for that word minimum.
Minimum.
I also
Yes.
started that very first day 16 rounds.
Mm.
Later on
Mm.
only I realized then I jumped over to 18 and then
Mm.
later on 20. Now I'm doing
Mm.
20 rounds minimum.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
so you should also think that Prabhupada words is minimum 16 rounds means you cannot be at 16 rounds. You have to
Mm.
make it at least two
Yes,
rounds.
Prabhu.
18,
Mm.
18 number is very, very nice. You know that
Mm.
18 days of war, 18 chapters. Huh? 18
Mm.
is very, very good number.
18 Puranas also.
18
So,
Puranas, yes.
mm.
So in
Mm.
this way, the 18 rounds, that is better, I think so.
Okay.
So the words minimum 16 means it should be more than 16,
Mm.
isn't it? So
Yes,
that
Prabhu.
way you can improve that one, then
Mm.
it is very nice. Anything that you do, even you are telling reading the newspaper, in that
Mm.
also you are seeing Krishna's hidden hand. That is
Mm.
also your sadhana.
Mm.
Hmm?
Okay,
A
Prabhu.
preacher
Mm.
can visualize Krishna's hidden hand and tell to all the people anything that happens, no problem. Everything
Mm.
is Krishna, Krishna Lila. We have to
Mm.
come to
Yes,
that
Prabhu.
thing.
Mm.
We don't want to hate anything.
Mm.
Everything is coming from Krishna.
Mm.
How can we hate it? If we hate
Mm.
something, then we are hating Krishna. We can hate only this sin, not the sinner,
Mm. Mm.
isn't it?
Yes.
Sin only we can hate, not the sinner. But all the human beings are, we can consider as sinners. Their
Mm.
activities may be sinful. Huh?
Mm.
So that's why we are preaching to
Yes,
correct their
Prabhu.
actions,
Actions.
isn't it?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes,
Prabhu, one more
yes.
question, Prabhu. Now, recently, for first time I'm listening a lot of praise or appreciation and for like for example, when I'm sharing in a lecture or in giving Bhagavatam in the reading group, and I'm sharing some realizations, people are starting to appreciate Prabhu. So the question is, Prabhu,
yes.
I do not want to falsely reject the appreciation because the content is true, because I know that Krishna is because you always say, Prabhu, cannot speak without the support of Krishna.
Yes.
So if I'm rejecting the appreciation, then I'm actually rejecting the appreciation for Krishna.
Yes.
But at the same time, how do I handle or a devotee is appreciating? How do I respond it, Prabhu? Because some people, they just say, no, I'm not
It's
doing
very
anything. I'm not doing anything.
simple. It is very simple. You cannot say that you are not doing. You are the medium. You are the medium, and just like they are appreciating you, you should not think that the appreciation is meant for you. The appreciation is meant for Krishna.
Krishna.
Yeah? You cannot immediately, you cannot elate yourself. Oh, all are appreciating me. I am so great.
That is false pride, bro. Yes, bro.
So you have to attribute that glorification
Guru
to
and
Krishna. Okay, then you are very normal. But you cannot accept this one. Anyone they give something to you out of appreciation, you cannot consider that is meant for you. Then you will fall down soon.
Fall down soon.
If you accept that one, not for you, on behalf of Krishna, and use that one in the service of Krishna. You cannot say no, no, no also.
Yes, Prabhu.
You understand? You have to, because they want to give. They may not have that proper understanding, but you accept that one and offer to Krishna. Many people, they don't want a Vyasa Puja. But it is not so. Vyasa Puja is not for that Guru. Vyasa Puja is for Krishna. But the pupils, the disciples, they cannot approach Krishna. That's why they give anything out of their love, gratitude to Krishna through you. So you cannot say, no, 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 I don't want Vyasa Puja. That is very wrong.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu, unga voice kila poichu, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Acha bhai.
Yes, Prabhu.
Now it's okay?
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay. So the Vyasa Puja is also the Gurus, those who are honest, they should accept it. Accept not for themselves, accept on behalf of Krishna and Guru, and then give that one, use that one in the service of Krishna. That is the proper one. We cannot reject. No, 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 I don't deserve all these things. Like that, we cannot say. They are giving only for Krishna's sake. If they say particularly for you, you are coming from that much distance, or you are having a torn a jubba, your bag is not good, you better to buy a new bag. That's why I'm giving. Means we cannot accept that one.
Krishna service we can accept, Prabhu.
Yes. For our own personal means we cannot accept.
Yes, Prabhu. So then I have one more question in this, Prabhu.
Yes.
So here we like once we started preaching, now it's going to be after in Grihastha Ashram. We are now maybe for one and a half year. It's going to be now, Prabhu.
Okay.
Recently, what happened is so I see that because we have registered like our center as sub center of ISKCON Norway, Prabhu.
Okay.
So people are giving donations.
Yes.
But I now see that the donation money is surplus than what I because now the money is coming because people want to give. And then I don't want to say no, because I know that for them this is the only way of purifying their earning,
Yes,
because
yes.
they're all earning here. So, but then now I'm not able to utilize it, because as for us, actually all the expenses we do, I want to do all, because I'm hosting the program at my home. I don't want to utilize others' money to. So I also want to contribute. So I'm spending myself, Prabhu. So whatever donation I'm getting, I'm saving in the temple account, Prabhu. So இப்போ question என்ன, how to do responsibly, because I know the money will be audited. It's audited by government. Everything is staying there, Prabhu. But I'm not able to utilize more than what I can, Prabhu, because our preaching is limited. We are not paying rent, because we are only conducting in the center, in the home and other things. So when surplus money comes, how do a devotee or an authority should handle it?
You have surplus means you can contribute to some other centers also.
But
I
that is
don't know
not allowed here,
actually.
Prabhu.
Huh?
It is not allowed here, Prabhu, to take the money out of. If somebody gives at center, they have to utilize.
Yourself only.
Yes, is that, Prabhu?
And
So
then
unless, for example,
if that exists
you have to
means
rent
you have to pay any tax.
no tax, Prabhu. Here it will just keep accumulating, Prabhu. Here.
Acha. So why you have to expand your center then? You have to provide more facilities to the devotees. You don't think that your money and the public money. You can save your money and you can utilize the devotees, those who are giving us donation. The donated money you can utilize for your center. You can save your personal one, and you can give that one to your parent, your mother, and your brother. Okay. So that is the good way. Better to use that one. I don't know why this echo is coming. Yesterday it was very nice with Adilabad, the Hindi program.
Mute பண்ணோம், Prabhu, எல்லாரும்.
Lokabandi is always keeping. I don't understand him. So now it's okay, no? No disturbance.
Yes, Prabhu.
There
Yes,
is
Prabhu.
no disturbance now.
No disturbance, Prabhu.
No, we have to understand. நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்கணுமா, நம்ம பேசும்போது தான் நம்ம அன்மியூட் பண்ணணும்.
நான் கவனிக்கல பிரபு, நான் கவனிக்கல.
அது கவனிக்கணும், ஓகே? ஸோ இதுதான் இப்போ. ஓகே, ஸோ surplus money means Lakshmi is there. You have to utilize that one very nicely. The program, you have to give a very gorgeous decorations very nicely. You can do something extraordinary way. You can celebrate.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah. But your personal money you can send to your parents and all.
Yes, Prabhu. That I can send, Prabhu.
So utilize all the donation for your center. And use yours for your mother or your brother. That's better.
Okay, Prabhu.
Like this one, no other center is getting now. And your Norway's branch is having any control over you?
Yes, Prabhu. Like Enoda city is independently registered within the Norway thing, Prabhu. If I want, I can transfer back the money to the Norway other center also. If they want, they can utilize. But right now, there is no need, Prabhu. So that is why the
all
only where I can utilize is basically then if I want to open a separate center and expand more preaching, Prabhu, invite more people, host bigger events, then the money will be spent, because then I have to pay rent for the venue and other things, Prabhu.
You can have your own building also.
Yes,
you
Prabhu.
just accumulate that thing. Now you are on rented place, na?
Prabhu, rented, yes, Prabhu.
So you can own your own building. Then it will be very nice. You accumulate money for that also. You cannot say no. If anybody is donating, you cannot say no. That's not good.
Yes, Prabhu.
You take and you accumulate and you go for this one, new place. Even if it is small, is better. then afterwards you can develop that center. Hmm? Good. You are blessed by Lakshmi Sahasra. Lakshmi in Goloka Vrindavana. Very good. Hmm.
That is sometimes creates little fear, Prabhu, because
Why? Fear? Why?
responsibility அதாவது
As long as you are honest, you don't
oh,
bother. Huh?
mm,
Isn't
yes,
it?
Prabhu.
You have restrictions that
Yeah.
you cannot send that money to anywhere else also. Then why?
No, there is
Why?
not that type of fear, Prabhu. Fear
Then,
in terms of
hmm,
responsibility. அதாவது now I have to do more.
you have to do more, otherwise you can accumulate that money. That's all. You are not going to spoil it, no?
Prabhu. That's
Huh?
because it's clearly it's like in the worst case, what will happen is if it's not used for many years, then the government will take
Acha?
because it is a charity. Because it's charity. It's
Correct.
registered as ISKCON is registered as church, Prabhu here. So
So
church
that's
money
why you go for your own building.
Mm,
That's the best way,
mm,
isn't it?
mm.
Yeah, that's the mercy of Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu. That decision will be taken by I think like the Norway like regional body, and then they're reporting.
You
to
can propose also. Huh?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah, you can put your proposal. They cannot negate that one.
Only இது என்னன்னா பிரபு we've suggested because it's like regional body இருக்கு அப்புறம் GPC இருக்கு பிரபு. So what they say is, but we don't have enough devotees to have deities or temple. So அதனால we are not getting
Not
permission.
necessary, but we can have our own building, no? That is there. For that one, no one can object.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm?
Mm.
Yes. Okay, all the best, huh?
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Yes, Mataji.
பிரபுஜி ஒரு டவுட் பிரபு
Yes.
நீங்க உங்களுடைய ஒன் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் வந்து spiritual activities are inversely proportional to material activities.
Spiritual activities are inversely proportionate to
Material activities.
Material activities. Yes, correct.
So spiritual activities வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணும்போது மெட்டீரியல் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ்
Decrease ஆயிடும்.
டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும்.
ஆமாம்.
I want to know அது டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும்னா அது என்ன மீன் பிரபு? ஸோ கம்ப்ளீட்டா மெட்டீரியல் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகுமா இல்ல அதுக்கு டிஃபிகல்ட்டி
slowly proportionately. Proportionate means what? Proportionately how much you are increasing your spiritual activities, that much only your material activity will go down. You have spiritual activity 30%, material activity 70%. You have 50% spiritual activity, material activity is also 50%. You have 80% spiritual activity, you have 20% material activity. You have 100% spiritual activity, you have zero material activity. Huh? That is called the inversely proportional. Viloma Sambandha. Sari Sambandha means directly proportionate. Otherwise, it is called in Sanskrit Viloma. Viloma means opposite. You got the point? Yes, Mataji, Leela Mataji, you got the point?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji. So
You understood thoroughly?
yes, but in between கொஞ்சம் உங்க வாய்ஸ் பிரேக் ஆச்சு பிரபு. ஸோ
Hari bol. எதுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி அச்சா inversely means you understood, no?
எஸ் பிரபுஜி.
Total is 100.
ஓகே.
Total is 100. Spiritual எவ்வளவு இருக்கோ balance is material. That is inversely proportionate. Directly proportionate னாக்கா ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும். ரெண்டுமே ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும்.
ஓகே.
Your advancement in spiritual activity, your advancement and your activities in spiritual activity ரெண்டுமே டைரக்ட் ப்ரொபோர்ஷனேட். எந்த அளவுக்கு நீங்கள் டிவோஷனல் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ் பண்ணுறீங்களோ அந்த அளவுக்கு உங்களுக்கு அட்வான்ஸ்மெண்ட் ஆகும் இல்லையா? அது டைரக்ட்லி ப்ரொபோர்ஷனேட். தட் வி cannot say in percentage. The both are in the same levels.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes. Directly proportionate and inversely proportionate. Anything else? Anyone?
Prabhu,
Yes.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Yes.
Prabhu, preaching ஒரு டவுட் ப்ரோ. ப்ரீச்சிங் பண்ணும்போது இப்போ ஒரு நியூ டிவோட்டி வராங்கன்னா அவங்க வந்து கெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் கிருஷ்ணா ஒரு கெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் பிரபுபாத்ங்கிற லைக் we have to serve them.
Yes.
But அந்த meanwhile அந்த initial வந்து அவங்க ஆரம்பிக்கும் போது then we are starting to tell them, preach them as a friend, ask them, take Mahamantra, இதை எடுத்துக்கோங்க. But at some point in time அவங்க கிட்ட ஒரு மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் இருக்கு, அதை இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும்னு அவங்க நினைக்கிறாங்கன்றப்போ அவங்க ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கேக்குறாங்கன்னா அந்த ஃப்ரெண்டுங்கிற பொசிஷன் வந்து ஒரு டீச்சருங்கிற சிச்சுவேஷனுக்கு வந்து நீங்க அந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் இன்னைக்கு சொன்னீங்களே பிரபு, பொசிஷன் சேஞ்சஸ் ஃப்ரம் ஃப்ரெண்ட் டு குரு அர்ஜுனா கிருஷ்ணா.
எஸ்.
சோ அந்த சேஞ்ச் ஒருத்தர் கொஸ்டின் கேட்கும் போது ஆனா நம்ம வந்து இன்னும் அந்த நீங்க பர்ஃபெக்ட் பர்சன் ஒன்லி கேன் மேக் அனதர் இம்பர்ஃபெக்ட் பர்ஃபெக்ட்னஸ். சோ நான் இன்னும் அந்த பர்ஃபெக்ஷன்ல இல்ல அப்படின்னு எனக்கு நல்லா தெரியும் ப்ரோ. பட் ஆனா இங்க வேற வழி இல்ல. பிகாஸ் பீப்புள் ஆஸ்க் மீ வித் வாட் எவர் இம்பர்ஃபெக்ஷன் ஐ ஹேவ் ஒன்லி ஐ கேன் கைட் தெம் ப்ரோ.
ஓகே.
சோ அந்த சிச்சுவேஷன்ல வாட் டு டு ப்ரோ?
Can I just pray? You have to understand the person எந்த விதத்திலே கேள்வி கேட்கிறான். சேலஞ்சிங் மூல கேட்கிறானா, சப்மிசிவ் மூல கேட்கிறானா, எப்படி கேட்கிறான் என்று பார்த்துக்கணும். அவர் சேலஞ்சிங் மூல சப்மிசிவா கேட்டாக்கா இஸ் வெரி குட். தென் யூ கேன் பிகம் மாஸ்டர். சேலஞ்சிங் இருந்தாக்கா யூ cannot become மாஸ்டர். Don't entertain him. சப்மிசிவா இருந்தபோது you can occupy your post as your mastership, and you have to try to answer him, convince him. If at all you do not know the answer, then you can easily tell that Krishna is the cause of all causes. If we please Krishna, Krishna can solve our problems. So ask him to chant Hare Krishna mantra. For anything, you cannot have the right answer. Better first induce him to chant Hare Krishna mantra. That is the very first step. Then only you have to speak even philosophy also. If he accepts to chant Hare Krishna mantra, then he is really submissive, he is very much interested, he is curious, he is serious. So we can go on with him very nicely. If he was just reluctant, he is reluctant, then we have to induce him to chant Hare Krishna for some more time. So if you don't have the answer also, don't bother. Tell that one, this problem will be solved by Krishna if you please Krishna by chanting this Hare Krishna mantra.
Chanting. Yes,
once he started chanting, then you see the chanting, the holy names will make him to understand everything. We are not the doers actually. The holy names and the Krishna both are same.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Yes.
Yes, bro.
You have to realize
that
this
experience I'm getting, bro, because when
very good.
Initially நம்ம இப்ப கீழ்கட்டையில இப்ப நீங்க அப்போ ஒரு 10 years முன்னாடி every town and village னு சொல்லும்போது அப்போ ஒரு லைக் பிலீஃப் ஒரு தியரிட்டிக்கலா அது அவ்வளவு புரியல பிரபு. பட் ஆனா இங்க வரும்போதுதான் இது நான் இருக்கிறது வந்து ரொம்ப ரிமோட்டான சிட்டி பிரபு. இட்ஸ் லைக் நோ டிவோட்டிஸ் அண்ட் திங். பட் தென் ஆல் ஆஃப் a sudden you see people from nowhere, they come, like, and then they want to chant.
Ah,
It's like
that's the mercy of
Mahaprabhu's
Krishna. Yes.
Krishna Prabhu. Every town and village, it will happen, Prabhu.
Ah,
Yeah,
yes.
mercy of Krishna is
Yes, definitely.
and our when he uses us as an instrument, and that happiness is very, very high, Prabhu. That happiness we are not getting in anything
He
else.
is using you as an instrument. That's good.
Mm.
You have to become an instrument in
Mm.
his hands.
And that is the difficulty little bit.
That only you have
Because
to become.
doer,
You try
yes,
to
Prabhu.
be. Please Krishna. Then Krishna will accept you as his instrument.
Yes, Prabhu.
Hmm? Yes.
And the operator giving up that operator mode, trying is little difficult, Prabhu, to come out of the
Everything by
mode of
practice. Practice.
practice. Yes,
Practice
yes, Prabhu.
makes the man perfect.
Mm.
Yes. ஆக்சுவலி எனக்கு தமிழே தெரியாது ஆக்சுவலாக அப்போல்லாம் நான் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். நான் 93ல் வந்தபோது சாட்டர்டே கொண்டு போவேன் எல்லோரும். நம்மளுக்கு இஸ்கானுக்கு ஒரு வேன் இருந்தது அப்போ. அந்த வேனில் கொண்டு போயிட்டு கொஞ்சம் பிரசாதம் கொண்டு போயிட்டு பிரசாதம் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன், புக் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் அண்ட் ப்ரீச்சிங். எனக்கு தமிழே தெரியாது. அப்போ நம்ம நிறைய பேர் இருந்தாங்க. அதில் சயின்டிஸ்ட் கூட இருந்தார். எல்லோரும் அழைச்சிட்டு போனாக்கா எனக்கு தமிழ் அந்த அளவுக்கு தெரியாது. நான் இங்கிலீஷில் ப்ரீச் பண்ணுவேன். எல்லோரும் தமிழில் பேச சொல்லுவேன். அவங்களுக்கு அந்த அளவுக்கு தைரியம் இல்லை பேசுகிறதுக்கு. எனக்கு தைரியம் இருக்கே, எனக்கு லாங்குவேஜ் தெரியாது. அவங்களுக்கு பேச தெரியாது, லாங்குவேஜ் தெரியும். அப்படி போய் ஸ்ரீராமோட கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக தமிழ் கற்றுக்கிட்டு இன்றைக்கி என் தமிழ் நல்லா இல்லை என்றாலும் எவரிபடி இஸ் அப்ரிஷியேட்டிங் மை சப்ஜெக்ட் மேட்டர், நாட் ஆஸ் அ லாங்குவேஜ். Language is not that much important than the subject matter. So அந்த அளவுக்கு. சேம் ஆஸ் வித் ஹிந்தி ஆல்சோ. நான் ஒரு கிளாஸு கூட போகல, தமிழுக்கு ஆகட்டும் ஹிந்திக்கு ஆகட்டும். ஒரு கிளாஸில் போய் நான் கற்றுக்கவே இல்லை இது இந்த ரெண்டு லாங்குவேஜஸும். ஐ ஆம் டேக்கிங் கிளாஸஸ் ஆல்சோ. நான் ஸ்கூலில் படித்தது தெலுங்கு. ஆனால் தெலுங்குல கிளாஸஸ் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு எனக்கு வாய்ப்பே இல்லை. So this is Krishna's Leela. We have to be very, very obedient to Krishna, submissive to Krishna. Then Krishna uses us as his instrument. Okay? Okay, all the best. You take your center very nicely. You expand your this one. Okay? So anyone has any other doubt or clarification required, please? We will meet tomorrow evening 4:30.
Yes.
So now we will do Narasimha Arati, okay? Narasimha Pranati. Who are they? First, Sabarish number 1. Lokabandhu number 2. Number 3. No one?
Can do 3 too. Okay, Leela Mataji can do 2.
Leela Mataji number 3. Okay, Sabarish, you can start.
Namaste Narasimhaya.
Namaste Narasimhaya.
Praladadayine.
Praladadayine.
Hiranyakashipurvakshaha.
Hiranyakashipurvakshaha.
Silatankanakalaye.
Silatankanakalaye.
Ito Nasimha Parato Nrsimha.
Ito Nrsimha Parato Nrsimha.
Yato yato yamitato Nrsimha.
Yato yato yamitato Nrsimha.
बाहेन सिंहाकृदयेन सिंहा
बाहे नृसिंह हृदये नृसिंह
नरसिंहामदिं शरणं प्रपद्ये
नृसिंहमधिं शरणं प्रपद्ये
तव गरकमलवरेणकाम् अर्पुरशृङ्गां तलिदारण्यकशिबु दानुभृङ्गाम् केशवदृदानरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
तव करकमलवरेणाखाम् अद्भुतशृङ्गाम् दलिता हिरण्यकशिपु तनुभृङ्गा केशवद्रुत नरहरिरूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
जय केशवदृदा नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
जय केशवद्रुता नरहरिरूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह
जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह
जय भक्त प्रह्लाद जय भक्त प्रह्लाद जय भक्त प्रह्लाद जय जय भक्त प्रह्लाद
जय भक्त प्रह्लाद जय भक्त प्रह्लाद भक्त प्रह्लाद जय जय भक्त प्रह्लाद
जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा
जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा गुरुदेवा जय जय गुरुदेवा भक्ति विघ्न विनाशक लक्ष्मी नृसिंह भगवान की जय भक्त शिरोमणि प्रहलाद महाराज की जय समवेत भक्त वृंद की जय वांछा कल्पतरुभ्य कृपा सिंधुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः अनंत कोटि वैष्णव भक्त वृंद की जय
जय
गौर प्रेमानंदी
हरे 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 बोल
Okay, Hare Krishna. We will meet tomorrow evening 4:30. Okay, Hare Krishna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Thank you
Krishna.
very much. Hare
Thank you,
Krishna.
Prabhu. Hare
Thank you,
Krishna.
thank you,
Hare
Hare Krishna.
Krishna. Thank you.
Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.